everybody, I am Miniyal Rajkumar. Today I am going to teach you a beautiful scenery which brings love, affection and moreover all some emotions too. So my favorite hero is not any scenic characters or someone else. Always my first and my favorite hero is always my grandfather. So the real happiness according to me is sitting on the shoulders of my old active grandfather. So you know something? You may be 18 years below or above, but make sure that you are a child to your parents and a grandchild to your grandparents. So today I am going to teach you this beautiful scenery of a old grandfather holding the hands of his lovable granddaughter. So learn one thing friends, a grandfather is someone who has love which is never ending. His ears would truly listen to us and he has arms to hold us tightly. He is a man with silver in his head and gold in his heart. So now let's begin the sweet session and the materials required are first you need an oil pastel and the second one you need is an A4 sheet that you need minimum 3 A4 sheets and the third one you need is a cotton and the fourth one is a paint palette and you need the main color is white. So now let's begin the sweet session and now let me introduce the 5 colors which are necessary for this drawing. So the first color is fluorescent yellow. So fluorescent yellow stands for freshness and enlightenment. If you are not having fluorescent yellow, you can choose yellow as your choice too. So the second color is pink. Pink always stands for love and affection. So the third color I'm going to use is purple. So purple stands for courage and something which is never endingly happiness. So the fourth color I'm going to use is a violet. Violet stands for imagination and the fifth color I'm going to use is a dark violet. So and the last and the final color we need is the main color that is black. So black stands for strength. So friends, first take a neat A4 sheet and then take a vessel first. It should be a circular vessel like this and now invert it like this and draw a circle around it. Friends, after drawing a perfect circle, what you have to do is first you have to take the fluorescent yellow and draw a small layer of circle inside it. You can also use yellow as per your choice if you are not having fluorescent yellow. So I am using fluorescent yellow because it will show a dark and a good effect in it. So this is a scenery of a night moonlight which is purple in color. So see, I have now drew with fluorescent yellow. The next color I am going to choose is pink. So another layer, make sure that this is thin first. So now I have painted, I have colored pink around the fluorescent yellow. So the next color I am going to choose is a purple color. So make sure that the same thin layer must be above that layer of the pink. So see here friends, now I have completed 3 layers that is up to purple and now you have to take a light purple color and just shade above this in a small thin layer. So now see here friends, we have successfully completed 4 layers and the 5th layer we are going to use is a dark violet color. So now I am going to do the last and the final layer is this. So cover the whole circle with dark violet. So we are not going to use black in this scenery like in our layers. We are going to just use it to color inside as a picture. So now see here I have completed all the 5 layers and now it's time to merge. First take the first color we have used and merge it with the color pink. So here friends, I am taking the color fluorescent yellow and now I am merging with the color pink. So make small curves so that it will merge perfectly. So make sure that you merge with care friends. After merging the first color, now we have to take the second color that is pink and merge it with the color purple. So after merging the third layer, now what we have to do is you have to take a you have to take light violet and mix it with dark violet. So I'm taking light violet and merging it with the color dark violet. So friends, after merging all the layers like this, what you have to do is now you have to take a bit of cotton, and now you can merge it well from the first now. So now just keep the cotton buds like this and now drag it like this. So make sure that you should not have any nails, friends. If you have nails, this will fully spoil your image. So after completing the first image, this will also remove the flakes in our drawing. So after completing the first image, do that same for all the layers there. So see here, friends, you'll get a perfect outline like this. And now what you have to do is you have to cut this circle perfect. So friends, after cutting like this, what you have to do is place this aside, and now you can take a pencil. And now let me teach you what are the images that you should draw first. First, it's grow with the grasses. So you should draw grass at the bottom. So friends, now you should draw a few grasses like this, and now you have to fill black oil pastels inside. So now I'm going to do that. So you should now take the sheet and take a pencil first. Choose the best corner you like and now draw this. So friends, first you have to draw grasses like these shades, and now you have to draw a small tree. So what you have to do is take a rough paper first. So friends, next you have to draw a tree like this, and you have to fill black inside it. So friends, now see here, this is our tree, and you should draw a similar tree on the other side. So now I'm going to draw a same tree on the other side now. So now see here, friends, these are the two trees, and now it's time to draw a grandpa and a grandchild holding their hands at the center. So now let me teach you how to draw it. Just look at this picture for a while. You're just going to draw this grandfather and a small granddaughter. So now what we are going to do is we are going to just color. After drawing, we are going to draw them with a pencil, and after drawing we are just going to use a black color very minutely, so you should make sure that they should not spoil the whole image. So now I'm going to just do that. So this is what I'm going to take. I'm now going to draw it. So friends, now just look at this image, and the next what I'm going to do is draw 3 hearts above the center between the granddaughter and the grandfather. Look at this image, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just take my paint palette. So now after taking paint palette, just wet the white paint and now turn your brush like this, just dip it, and now keep some few dots on the tree branches. So make sure that the first look of it should be very beautiful, friends. So now just see this beautiful picture that we have painted. You can also do this as wall hanging, and you can take a carton cardboard and just you can put them, you can paste them above it, and you can use this as wall hanging, or you can stick it like this in an A4 sheet neatly and frame it for your reference too. Finally, here your sceneries are ready. So learn one thing. Many in this world are addicted to televisions and mobile phones, and mainly the social medias such as Instagram and Facebook. So spend 1 hour a day with your grandparents, and the sweet memories you get from them are always unforgettable. My grandfather taught me everything, but except to live without him. Sometimes, if I succeed in something, I just look up and say, I know it was you, Grandpa. So sometimes, if I think of the sweet memories that I had with him, like tears would run out of my eyes through my cheeks. So learn one thing finally, friends. So you can a life is something you will face many failures and also you will face more success. When I think of all the blessings in my life, one thing that always stands at the top is the love that my grandfather gave me. Finally, God could not be everywhere, and so He made grandparents. So the love we get from them. So they grow old, but their love never grows old. Share your love with them and get sweet memories and happy tears in return. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe and share this in our channel and I hope I'll meet you with many new sceneries like this. And this is Untitled Chapter signing off. Bye.